Hello everyone, welcome to TID Radio Communications channel, and today we're going to be looking at the main feature of why you would want to buy one of these walkie-talkies. So that is the call feature. All you need to do is set up the frequency you want to call and then long press this one and you can directly start talking. Simple and easy. First, let's look at how to call using channel mode. In this mode, you select the desired channel, then press and hold the PTT button and speak normally. When you initiate a call, you will see the red LED light up. Next is frequency mode calling. Within the range of frequencies allowed for input, press the PTT key to call the current channel. You will also see the red LED light up when you initiate a call. Now it's time to receive the call. When you release the PTT key, you don't need to do anything to answer the call. When you receive a call, the green LED will light up. Also, try to keep the microphone at a distance of 2.5 centimeters to 5 centimeters from your mouth when transmitting. This helps to achieve optimal reception volume. Once you press the call button, it'll start up essentially immediately. You might hear a little beep, but you will see the call status on the screen. Once the connection is solid, you'll be able to talk freely. Simple as that. That's it for today though. If it helped you, drop a like. If it didn't help you, maybe drop a comment. Tell us what's wrong. Thanks for watching.